Hi, it's Dave Dickinson with Bankers Compliance Consulting, and I want to talk to you about what the difference is between refinancing, modifications, and renewals. Now, we use these words all the time in the banking industry and oftentimes incorrectly. Let me try to shed some light on this. A refinance basically is a legal term that says you are satisfying, replacing, or extinguishing an existing loan contract with a new contract. So in effect, A is gone and B takes its place. When it comes to truth in lending and RESPA, if you're doing that, then you're going to have to give new disclosures. If instead contract A still exists and you attach something to it, so it's not satisfied, replace, or extinguish, but it still exists, it's somehow being tweaked. You add this modification to that based on contract law, then you do not have to give new disclosures. Now, there's a lot more to this story, and there's some limitations to what you can do through a modification, but for the most part, you can do just about anything through a modification when it comes to truth in lending and RESPA. I hope this helps your understanding. Thanks for watching.